Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is July the 14th. Today we're going to be looking at Euro USD as the chart of the day. Now we can see right here we completed with 3 minor degree with 4 completed at 114.70 in the form of a WXY, which is a double 3. And now we have turned lower within with 5. And within with 5 we subdivide into 5 ways. We have finished the 1 here, 2 finished here. Now looking to go down again. Now you can see from this peak we got 1 2 3 4 5. A 5 swing is a motive sequence suggesting that the probability is calling for the downside because of the 5. Okay, so as a result, as long as we stay below 114.70, the path of least resistance remains to be lower. And if I zoom out to the daily time frame now you notice also the arrow is only turning down, it's not red. The reason is simple, because even though we are calling for completed, we still need to break below with 3 to confirm that this correction is really over here and that we don't become a bigger double correction, right? I mean, another option will be a bigger WXY like this. However, again, at least when looking at the short term, okay, at least we do have what looks like a 5 swing down from here. So again, favoring for the downside in the short term. Okay, in the short term, favoring for the downside. Now, if I zoom out to the daily time frame, here's what we have. This wave 4 and wave 3 here on the daily is just right here, so it's very insignificant here on the daily time frame. But I want to draw your attention on the daily time frame on this move down here, right? So you got a lower low here, and if you just simply measure the extension, then you can see it has potential to go to this area between 111.80 107.70, and this area potentially can find support here if this is an ABC and this is not 1 2 3 4 5. So unless it becomes 1 2 3 4 5, right? But if it is just an ABC or WXY corrective, then we should be able to get support of buyers from here, 111.80 107.70, and then from there we should be getting either going to new high or at least 3-ways rally, at least like this. And the only time it won't see any reaction at all is if this is a 1 2 and then this is a 3, right? That's the only time. But otherwise, I think probability wise, it does call for support from this area, at least for 3-ways rally, at least if not going to new high, at least for 3-ways rally. But short term, again, because this is kind of like a longer time frame. Short term, we got a 5 swing down, 1 2 3 4 5. So calling for more downside short term below 114.70, with potential going towards this 111.80, right? Target lower here at the least. No, it's not just one specific level. Remember, it's an area between 107.70 111.80. Now, you can also draw a trend line. This is one of them, and then this is the secondary trend line. The most important thing is this trend line here, this one. Now, as long as we stay below this, then I think by default the forecast keeps calling for another leg down to this area. But at any point without reaching this area, if we break above it first, then this cycle can be finished, right? Most of the time when it breaks the channel, that means the cycle is over. But until it does, then the default forecast is always going to keep calling it lower. And even if we do, let's say if we do get a double like this, it doesn't mean that this cycle is over. No, as long as it stays below this trend line, we just simply move for here and still by default calling it lower again. And the only time we don't call it lower, or we will rethink about the possibility of lower, is if we can close above that trend line, which is still very far. And again, just that's kind of like thinking so much ahead in the future. Again, short term is what we care about. 5 swing down, favoring more downside below 114.70. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.